Hello everybody, and welcome to Uganda and Kampala Road. I was going to do an update on the layout, but our internet connectivity is pretty bad over the last few days because of storm activity. So I'm not going to get a 20-minute upload done anytime soon. So this is going to be a quick one on this particular loco, which is my ViTrans 47. Which, following on from the Helgen 47s, does look a bit skinny, but she's a beautiful runner. But I put a TTS sound decoder in, and I thought I'd just do a very quick show of what it sounds like in her. So I bought this a couple of months ago from Rails of Sheffield. I have been watching a number of YouTube channels. A couple to mention are Peter Shaw, who's got a lovely little layout, and Malcolm Braithwaite, another lovely layout. Dave Howarth, all three of those I believe are in Yorkshire, and a lot of sound locomotives and a lot of uploads of the sound, so I've been listening to those. I haven't been into sound really, too many other issues, but it's very tempting. The thing I can't get my head around is the cost, £100, £120 to put a sound chip into a loco that cost you 40 quid, whatever. But I have been watching these channels, and I do like the sound of it, no pun intended. And I thought I'd give it a try for £39 or £39 I think this cost me. I thought I'd give it a try. So this was the guinea pig locomotive, if you like. So let's get on with it. I did have a problem, which is why I'm only doing it now after receiving it 2 months ago. Nobody will be surprised to know my propensity to order faulty goods. And the speaker failed within about 5 minutes of me turning it on. And I have to admit, I was within a millisecond of throwing the whole layout out of the third floor window here. I was so disappointed. What can you do? So I had to wait another 4 weeks for, I ordered some of these off eBay. I don't know anything about sound or speakers, so I just plumped for these. I got 4 of these for 10 quid, and I soldered it in the other day. So let's see what she sounds like. I have a Hornby Elite, so you'll hear all the button pushing. So that's just function 1, and I'm not going to go through all the noises because everybody's done it before, and I'll just reverse her out of the refueling depot and get her hooked up to a train. there she is. That's the ViTrans 47 with a TTS sound chip. So hope you enjoyed it. And cheers for now. Take care. Bye bye from Kampala.